Good morning, everyone. I just thought I'd do a very short live meditation. You, me, and the pigeon. So take a deep breath in through your nose. Hold for 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and all the way out. Breathing in. Hold for 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and all the way out. And now just listen to the sound of the waves. And relax. And think about the emotions, the positive emotions that you would like to fill your day and the rest of your day. Maybe take on some carefree thoughts and feelings, just like the birds. And breathe. Feel your connection to the floor, bringing up that energy through your feet, into your legs, into your lower abdomen, up through your stomach and into your heart space, up into your throat, and up into your head. And relax. Take a nice big deep breath in. And relax. Take one more deep breath in and enjoy the rest of your day. Keep those emotions high. Bye for now.